Uh, Hello, sir. What is your name and what is the reason you people are here for?
I am G. Sukumaran, Secretary Federation for People's Rights, a human rights organization working since 1989. This is a struggle, very important struggle. Puducherry is a union territory. In French rule, Puducherry was ruled by French. On November 1st, 1954, Puducherry was liberated from French rule. In 1962, August 16, Puducherry joined the Indian government. Appointment day. The constitution was implemented in Puducherry. After then, in 1963, a Union Territory Act was enacted and Puducherry was a Union Territory under the direct control of central government, particularly Home Minister. Now, from then, the Puducherry is not developed well because it is a direct control of the Home Ministry, particularly a joint secretary. We Puducherry, there is 33 MLAs. 30 MLAs are elected by the people, 3 MLAs are nominated by the central government, and 2 MPs, one Lok Sabha, one Rajya Sabha. Even then, Puducherry elected government is not able to take decision and implement in letter and spirit because they are want to controlled by the central government. The central government is to give node for everything, particularly the home ministry. So everything will be delayed. One thing I want to say, if a government was elected, then the MLAs majority MLAs will select the chief minister. Then the chief minister will appoint the minister. For the appointment, everything, the minister will be administered oath by the governor as a minister. But the central government, particularly the home ministry, must give no permission for that. For simple thing, if a state, the chief minister will give letter to chief governor, then they will show in as a
There are other union territories also, and they are doing okay. What is the difference in Puducherry and other union territories?
Puducherry, for everything we depend upon central government. For budget, the central government, particularly Home Ministry, will give note for that. For appointment of IAS officers, we must ask the central government. This is everything we are depend on the central government. In other union territory, particularly Goa, Dayu and time, it was separated and Goa was made as a state.
But now the area-wise, Goa is much larger than Puducherry. Puducherry is very small in area, if I'm not wrong.
We are 16 lakhs people. Present
Population-wise, it is equal.
People. No, even then, when it was liberated from French regime, Nehru, the then Prime Minister, had an agreement with the French government to do everything with the Puducherry. But at that time, Puducherry was a state. They given the state to the Indian government. But actually, unfortunately, it was made as a union territory. So we are suffering from long way. In 1987, first we are in the assembly, we resolved a resolution unanimously to give statehood. But recently, 16th resolution was passed in the assembly. For past several government, he passed continuously resolution for statehood. But central is not care about the state government. But now we agitated in the Puducherry. You know, one of the MLA, Nehru, is an independent MLA in the Orlanpete constituency in Puducherry. He organized the political parties, social organizations, service organization. For past 2 years, we are fighting for statehood under his head. The Puducherry government twice, this government in 2 assembly, last subsequent 2 assembly passed resolution, 15th resolution and 16th resolution, unanimous resolution including BJP members. But the central government not even considering giving statehood to Puducherry.
What is central government's point? Why they are ignoring this?
Central government is probably is not to give statehood to anybody. You know, Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir has been divided. Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, they have made a union territory. But we, the people of Puducherry, we are unanimously demanding the central government to give union territory government to statehood, but nothing was considered by the.
Why you are asking for different statehood? It is not as a bigger area. You can join Tamil Nadu instead.
No, no, the people of Puducherry will not join. We are separate identity. We are from French regions. We are came in 1977. I think there was a merger plan.
Separate identity on basis of what? Language is same.
We
Okay.
are a core region.
Yeah.
Puducherry and Karaikal is Tamil.
Okay.
Yanam, it is near Andhra. It's Telugu. Mage, it is near Kerala.
What is the religion of most of the people in Puducherry?
All regions are there. Hindu, Muslim, Christians.
Equal
all.
proportionate.
Yes, yes. No, no, not in equal, but majority Hindu. Other religions are smaller. Smaller.
So you are not want to join Tamil Nadu. You want a separate state.
I told 1977, there MGR Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Here Mr. Moraji Desai was Prime Minister. They plan to merger. They want to merger. But we agitated, the people of Puducherry agitated in vigorous struggle. Oh, the merger will not work out here.
Okay. So difference is basically you are saying culturally.
Yes.
Okay.
Suppose any politician from Tamil Nadu came and tell merger, their party will not win there. The people will reject them. So the merger will be a great. People will be against this. We will not. No, we are Tamil people. We are joining various issues with Tamil Nadu government. But not only Tamils are there. In Yanam, Telugu people is there. In Mage, Malayalam people is there. So it's a mixed culture people. And also French citizens are there. No, it's a very good place. But the power to the elected government is not given. The elected government is suffering to implement schemes to the people, not even able to solve the demands by the people. We are putting several demands to the government, but the government is not having power to solve the issues. That's a very good problem there. So we want not only for the government, we want democracy for people. So that only we are demanding statehood.
Thank you, sir.